everyone, welcome back to WebTech tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Tinder application on your mobile device. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To download Tinder application on your mobile device, go tap open your Play Store for your Android, and if you're using an iOS device, you can tap open your App Store. Once you do that, go to the search box and type in Tinder in the search box. Make your search and you should find the application displayed in the search result. Once you find the application, now simply tap on the install button to start the downloading process for the app. Tinder is an American geosocial networking and online dating application which allows users to anonymously swipe to like or dislike other users' profiles, which is their photo or short bio and a list of their personal interests. So if you're looking for someone so that you can date, then this is the app that you're looking for. Wait until the app installs on your device. Once you download and install the application is ready for use. Tap on the open button to open up the application. And there you have Tinder application installed on your device. Start by tapping open your Tinder application from your app drawer. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the first interface of Tinder. Here, you'll be able to see the login buttons displayed on the screen. You can log in with the Google account, with your Facebook account, or with your phone number. If you created your account with your Google account during the sign-up process, you can tap on Login with Google in order to log in with your Google credentials. If you signed up using the Facebook option, tap on Login with Facebook, and similarly, if you've created an account with your phone number, tap on Login with phone number. Since I signed up using my phone number, let me tap on Login with phone number option, and now on the next page, enter your phone number. Make sure to enter a correct phone number that you have an access to and that is connected to Tinder, and tap on Continue. Now, you'll receive a code into the mobile number that you just entered. Once you receive the code, type it in the text box if necessary. If you're using the same device, after the code has been typed in, tap on Continue. Soon after you do that, you'll be logged into your Tinder account quickly. In order to find someone on Tinder, go to your Tinder application and tap it open from the app drawer. Sign into your Tinder account if necessary, and once you're in, go to your profile page by tapping on the human icon in the bottom right corner. From your profile page, tap on Settings. Under Maximum Distance, you can simply decrease the search radius so that you swipe through only nearby people. If you want to find more people, you can simply increase the range as per your choice. You can move the scale to the left to decrease the distance. If you want to increase it, move it towards the right side. Go ahead and add a new location under Location tab by tapping on Add a New Location. Under Global, enable the button right next to it so that you'll be able to find people nearby and from around the world. Select your preferred language, or you can add more languages on your Tinder by tapping on Add Language and picking more from the list. The next thing to do is to find someone on Tinder by narrowing the age range. You might want to stay within a certain age range on Tinder. If you know how old the person you want to meet is, you can set the age range to only that age. Once you find the age slider under age range to the age you want, move the right slider to match the first. Once you do that, you'll be able to find the particular person that falls under the age range displayed on the screen. If you don't know what the person's age is, if you're looking for a particular person, simply move the right slider and try to make it as narrow a range as you want. You can also choose to show people that ages within the range if you want to only view persons with this particular age. To do so, enable the button right next to Only Show People in this range, and finally, after everything's done, you can go back. Now you can swipe through people of the same age as the person that you are looking for. If you recently joined Tinder and suddenly you realized that you have typed in your wrong information for your age on Tinder and you'd like to correct that, let me tell you that there is no other way with the Tinder application so that you can update your age on Tinder, but there is a workaround for this situation. If you want to change your age on Tinder, the only thing you can do is to go to your Tinder application and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, go to the Me button in the bottom right corner, and then from this page, tap on Settings. Scroll all the way down from your settings page, and the only thing you can do in order to change or update your age on Tinder is to simply delete your Tinder account. Since Tinder does not allow you to regularly change your age once it's logged in after you first sign up to your account, so the only option left to do is to simply delete your Tinder account, and you'll simply need to sign up for a new Tinder account, but this time make sure to enter your correct birthday information so that you'll be able to use Tinder with your correct date of birth information. In order to change your location on Tinder, tap open your Tinder application first. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're signed in, go to the human icon in the bottom right corner. Now, tap the settings button in the top left corner, and under discovery settings, you'll be able to see an option that says location. Tap it on, and now tap on add a new location, which is right here. Once you do that, you'll be able to choose from the location by selecting the city you want to change the location to. Once you've done that, your profile will be visible to Tinder users in that specific area. That is how you can easily change your location on Tinder. If you'd like to change your name on Tinder, simply follow the steps. Start by tapping open your Tinder application, or simply go to tinder.com and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're logged in, go and tap on your profile picture at the bottom right. From your profile page, go to settings, and as you can see, there's no option whatsoever in order to change your name on Tinder. If you want to edit your other informations, then you can simply tap on edit info and go ahead and add media, your bio, and you can add other informations like your job title, company names, your university information, and much more. So if you want to change your name on Tinder, remember that once you have created an account, you won't be able to change it later on. If you need to update your name on Tinder, the only option you have left is to delete your account and start over. While deleting your account, you'll permanently lose all of your matches, messages, consumable purchases, and other information associated with your account. In order to get rid of your Tinder profile and create a new, simply go to the settings button from your profile, scroll all the way down and tap on delete account. From this page, select delete my account, given a reason why you are trying to delete your account by picking one from the display, or simply type it in by tapping on other and giving your region in the text box. On the next page, simply tap on delete my account and you'll be able to delete your Tinder account. Now, in order to change your name, go ahead and sign up for a new account. You can choose your Google option, Facebook, or your phone number option in order to create an account. Let me tap on login with phone number option. Type in your phone number on the next page and tap on continue. Wait for the verification code that has been sent to the mobile number that you provided, and after you receive it, simply tap on continue. Enter your email in the email text box. Once you are done, tap on continue and tap on I agree. Type in your first name, but this time remember to enter the name that you previously wanted to change to. After you're done, tap continue and finish the rest of the process. Enter your birthday information, pick your gender, choose your sexual orientation, add your profile pictures, and now you'll be able to create a profile with a new name that you wanted to change. Tap open your Tinder application and log into your account if necessary. When it comes to deleting a message on Tinder, you won't be able to delete an individual message. However, you can remove entire conversation by unmatching someone. To unmatch someone, go tap open your conversation with a particular person. Once you end up in the conversation screen, tap on the shield icon at the top right corner right next to the video icon. At the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see Unmatch option. You will also be able to report and unmatch a person if they have been harassing you and you'd like to report them for unwanted behaviors. If you want to unmatch only, tap on Unmatch only and tap on Yes Unmatch in the pop-up. Now soon after you do that, you have been disappeared from their match list and they have been disappeared from yours as well. Your entire conversation has been removed with the person once you perform this action. That is the only way you can delete a message on Tinder. You will need to unmatch someone in order to remove all the messages, conversation that you had on Tinder. If you find yourself overwhelmed with too many matches and want to start over fresh, you can easily delete all of your Tinder matches. Go tap open your Tinder application from your app drawer and make sure you're logged into your account. In order to unmatch with someone on Tinder, you'll need to go ahead and open up the conversation that you've made with the person. Go to the chat bubble at the bottom of the screen and tap it on. Open up the conversation with the person that you'd like to unmatch from Tinder. Once you end up in the conversation screen, tap on the shield icon in blue at the top right corner right next to the video icon. Now, you'll be able to see two options popping out at the bottom. You can either report and unmatch a person, or you can unmatch only. If you want to unmatch with the person, select Unmatch Only option and confirm your selection by clicking on Yes Unmatch. After you do that, you'll be able to remove an individual from your match list on Tinder. You can repeat the process to remove someone from your match list. If you want to block someone on Tinder, go tap open your Tinder application first. If necessary, log into your account, and once you're logged in, and you're in your home screen for Tinder. If you want to block a person from your contact list, go and tap on the human icon in the bottom right corner, which will open up your profile. Now on the profile screen, tap on the settings option. Scroll all the way down and go to block contacts and tap on continue. Select the contacts tab, then select the contact that you'd like to block from your contact list and tap on block contact at the bottom. You can select multiple contacts as well. After you're done, once you tap on block contacts, you'll be able to add people in your block list. Tinder has now blocked your selected users and you won't be able to see their profiles on your Tinder after you make this change. They won't be able to see your profile. If you want to block someone on Tinder manually by adding their details, from your profile page, tap settings, go to block contacts and tap on the plus button in the top right corner. Type in the full name of the person that you'd like to block and then go to the contact information section and add in a phone number or email. Once you do that, tap on done at the top right and you'll be able to add someone manually into the block list as well. In case you change your mind in the future and you want to unblock a certain contact on Tinder, from the same page go to the blocked tab at the top and then you'll be able to view all of the blocked list you've created on Tinder. Now, you'll be able to see an unblock button right next to the contact. Simply tap on unblock to unblock the certain someone. Once you do that, the person is no longer appearing on your block list. That is how you can easily block someone on Tinder. If you want to get rid of your Tinder account since you've already found someone or you simply don't want to use Tinder anymore, whatever your reason is, you can easily do this with either your application for your Tinder or by signing into tinder.com on the web browser. Before beginning, if you're watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Go tap open your Tinder application in order to start. Make sure you're signed into your account. Once you are, go to the profile image at the bottom right corner and tap it on. Now from your profile page, tap on settings. From settings, scroll all the way down and at the bottom of the page, you'll be able to see an option that says delete account. You have two options displayed on the screen. If you'd like to keep your account but not be shown to others, you can pause your account. But if you'd like to delete your account altogether, you can tap on the delete my account option at the bottom. Given a reason why you'd like to delete your account, you can select any reason that matches yours from the display, or if you choose other, you'll be able to type in the reason why you're trying to get rid of Tinder. If you don't want to answer any question, tap on the skip button at the top right and now tap on delete my account. Once you do that, your account will be deleted in just a few seconds. Tap on got it and there you have deleted your Tinder account. Keep in mind that when you delete your account, you permanently lose messages and other information associated with it. In the future, if you'd like to use Tinder again and start dating, you'll need to sign up for a new account. That is how you can easily get rid of Tinder account by deleting it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.